In primetime news this evening, dramatic scene in Gordon House as the opposition storms out of the city.
The walkout comes as the House Speaker refuses to let the opposition speak after an adverse report from the Integrity Commission about her. We have comprehensive coverage.
And later on, Noel Holmes Hospital again in the spotlight after the death of a 1-year-old. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, 138 student living is looking to expand. I'll have that and more in the business day.
Thank you. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, 3 players and an assistant referee were struck by lightning at an Issa da Costa Cup match today. While there is more drama for the reggae girls ahead of their Olympic qualifiers, I'll tell you more in sports a little later on.
Drama all around. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Janella, this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Integrity Commission's recommendation that the House Speaker, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, be charged for failing to declare all her assets for 6 years?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail, right after the break.